Kakaingit to, nakaka-zoom in. Masira sana. Yo. Ay, 14 seconds lang yung kakainis naman.
The Bible reminds us to sing and make melody in our hearts to the Lord, always giving thanks. The reason for that is Christ. The reason for our singing is Christ. The reason why we are here is because of Christ. The songs that we have in our hearts comes from what Christ has done on the cross for all of us. And every time we look back and watch how He suffered and seeing the pain and the agony He endured on His way to the cross, it touches us and it moves us every time. It amazes us to know that a God in heaven looks down upon us with grace, mercy, and forgiveness. The simple message of the Bible is that God loves us. No matter what we have been through in life, no matter how many times we stumble and fail, God never stops loving us. His grace reaches down upon us to lift us up from sin and give us a new hope, a new beginning, giving us the salvation that we need in our lives. And the songs that we're going to sing this evening are songs that will help us reflect on that, on the cross. And hopefully as we sing this song, we'll be able to really feel what Christ has gone through on the cross. It was not easy. It was not easy. It was the most painful death that anybody can experience. The pain is more than firing squad. The pain is so great. Just as we look at Him on the cross, it's just so moving and touching that a God in heaven loves us so much.
Sinunod ko naman nun.